planning a hiking trip.
I am so tired today. My body hurts everywhere.
Work was very busy for both of us.
Yes, extremely busy. I sit all day at my desk. My back hurts so much.
Me too. I have the same problem. This is office life.
I think we need some fresh air.
I agree. We need to go outside. Actually, I have an idea.
Really? What is your idea?
Tomorrow is Saturday. We don't have work.
Yes, that's right. We are free all day.
Let's go hiking in the mountains.
Hiking? Are you serious?
Yes, I'm very serious. We can go to see the sunrise.
That sounds very romantic, but also very early in the morning.
We can do it together. Early to bed, early to rise.
You make a good point.
It will be good for our health, too.
Okay, I agree. I really want to see nature.
Wonderful. Let's set the alarm clock now.
What time should we wake up?
4 in the morning.
4 a.m.? That is absolutely crazy.
Trust me, it is worth it. You will see.
That's so early. The sun isn't even up yet.
That's the point. We watch the sun come up.
Okay, I trust you.
You won't regret it, I promise.
What should I wear?
Comfortable clothes and good shoes.
Should I bring water?
Yes, bring water and some snacks, too.
This is going to be an adventure.
The best adventures start early.
All right then. Good night, my love.
Good night, honey. Sleep well. See you at 4.
Waking up early.
Oh no, what is that horrible noise?
It is the alarm clock. Time to wake up.
Please turn it off. It's so loud.
It is 4 in the morning. We need to get up.
It is too early. Look outside. It is still completely dark.
I know, but we have to get up now.
I want to sleep more. Just 5 more minutes, please.
No, we cannot. We will be late for the sunrise.
But the bed is so warm and comfortable.
I understand, but remember the sunrise? Remember the fresh air?
Yes, I remember. I remember what I said last night.
Come on, wake up. You can do this.
My eyes are so heavy. I can barely open them.
Here, I'll count. 1, 2, 3, up.
Okay, I'm up now. This is very hard.
You can do it. I believe in you.
Why did I agree to this?
Because you wanted an adventure.
Right, an adventure at 4 a.m.
Go wash your face. Cold water will help.
Good idea. I need to wake up fully.
I'll make some hot coffee for us.
Thank you. You're the best.
The clothes are on the chair. I prepared them last night.
You're so organized. Thank you.
Hurry up. We need to leave in 20 minutes.
I'm moving. Give me a moment.
Don't forget your jacket. The mountain is cold.
Got it. Jacket, check. Shoes, check.
Water bottles are in the bag already.
Snacks too?
Yes, I packed everything last night.
Okay, I'm almost ready now. Let's go see that sunrise.
That's the spirit. Let's go.
A night drive to the mountain.
It is pitch black outside.
Yes, the city is sleeping now.
The streets are completely empty. No cars anywhere.
I like this quietness. It feels peaceful.
Are you sleepy? It's very late.
A little bit, but I'm okay.
Do you want some coffee? I can open the thermos.
No, I am fine, thank you. Driving wakes me up.
That's good. I'm glad you're alert.
Don't worry, I'm a careful driver.
Look at the stars tonight.
Wow, they are so bright and beautiful.
We don't see them often in the city.
That's true, because we are always busy.
And the city lights block the stars.
Yes, that's called light pollution.
I learned something new today.
Nature teaches us many things.
I'm getting excited now.
Me too. This trip was a great idea.
How far is the mountain from here?
About 10 more minutes. We are almost there.
Look, I can see the mountain now.
Yes, it looks very high and beautiful.
Can we really climb it?
Sure we can. Step by step, slowly.
I hope my legs are strong enough.
Just take your time. There's no rush.
What time will the sun rise?
Around 6:15 in the morning.
Perfect. We have enough time.
Yes, we will find a good spot to watch.
I brought my camera for pictures.
Great idea. The sunrise will be amazing.
Thank you for driving tonight.
Of course. That's what partners are for.
I'm so happy we decided to do this.
Me too. These moments are special.
Buying movie tickets.
Hi there. 2 tickets for Space Adventure, please.
Of course. For what showtime would you like?
The 7:15 p.m. show, please.
Let me check. Yes, seats are available. 2 adults for the 7:15 show. Got it.
Great. That's perfect for us.
Would you like to choose your seats, or should I pick for you?
We would like to choose, please. Can we get something in the middle of the theater?
Of course. Let me show you the seating chart. How about row G, seats 8 and 9?
Where is row G exactly?
It's right in the center. Perfect view of the screen.
That's perfect. We'll take those seats.
Excellent choice. All right, your total is $30.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, absolutely. You can tap or insert your card right here.
Okay, I'll tap it. Done.
Perfect. Payment successful. Here are your tickets.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. The theater is on your right, down the hallway.
What time should we go inside?
The theater opens about 15 minutes before the movie starts.
Great. We have time to get some popcorn then.
Yes, the snack bar is right over there.
Do you have any combo deals?
Yes, we have popcorn and drink combos. Check the menu at the snack bar.
Wonderful. Thank you for your help.
Enjoy the movie. It's a great film.
We're really excited to see it.
Have a wonderful evening.
Paying the restaurant bill.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you.
Not at all. Yes, how can I help? How is everything?
Everything was absolutely delicious. Thank you so much.
I'm so glad to hear that. What was your favorite dish?
The pasta was amazing. My friend loved the steak.
Those are 2 of our most popular dishes.
I can see why. The food was wonderful.
I'll pass your compliments to the chef.
Please do. Anyway, we're ready for the check, please.
Of course, I'll bring it right over. Just one moment.
Thank you very much.
Here you are. Take your time. No rush at all.
Thanks. Let me look at this. This looks correct.
If you have any questions, just let me know.
Actually, I do have a question. Are you able to split this between 2 cards?
Yes, that's not a problem at all. We do that often.
Great. That makes things easier for us. Here are the 2 cards.
Perfect. Would you like me to split it evenly? 50-50?
Yes, please. That would be great.
No problem. I'll be right back with those.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Here are your cards and your receipts.
Thank you so much for the great service tonight.
You are very welcome. It was my pleasure to serve you.
We will definitely come back again soon.
We would love to have you back. Have a wonderful evening.
You too. Good night.
Catching the bus.
Hurry up. The bus comes in only 5 minutes.
I know. I just need to get my coffee first.
Not again. We do this every morning. We'll miss it.
Relax. Just give me 1 second. I'm almost ready now.
Did you get your bus card? Do you have it?
Wait, let me check. I'm checking my pockets.
Seriously, we're already late.
Hold on. Found it. It's right here. Let's go now.
Finally, run! The bus is right there at the stop.
I see it. Oh, good. The driver is waiting for people.
Be careful, don't spill your coffee everywhere.
Too late. A little bit spilled on my hand. Ouch. It's hot.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Just a small burn.
We made it! We're on the bus!
Barely. My heart is racing so fast right now.
Good morning, driver. Sorry for running.
Let's find seats quickly.
There are 2 seats in the back.
Perfect. Let's sit down. I need to catch my breath.
This happens too often. We need to wake up earlier.
Or I need to make my coffee faster.
How about making coffee the night before?
That's actually a really good idea.
We should try it tomorrow.
Agreed. No more running for the bus.
My heart can't take this every morning.
Same here. Okay, tomorrow will be better.
Mowing the lawn.
Look at our yard. The grass looks pretty long. We should mow the lawn today.
Yeah, I noticed that too. It's starting to look really messy.
The neighbors might start complaining soon.
You're right, we don't want that.
Do you want me to do the front yard first?
Sure, that's a good plan. And I'll take care of the backyard.
That way we can finish faster together.
Exactly. Teamwork makes the dream work.
By the way, where did we leave the mower last time?
It's in the garage, in the corner, I think.
Okay, I'll go grab it and bring it out.
Wait, don't forget to check the gas before you start.
Right, that's a very good point. I forgot last time.
Yeah, you were so confused when it stopped working.
That was embarrassing. I'll check it this time.
There's extra gas in the red container.
Perfect. I'll fill it up if it's low.
After mowing, can you also trim the edges?
Yeah, absolutely. I'll use the trimmer for that.
The edges near the fence really need work.
I noticed that too. I'll be extra careful there.
Perfect. It'll look so much nicer once it's all done.
Our yard will be the best on the street.
Let's hope so. The Johnsons next door have nice grass.
We can beat them. Let's get started before it gets too hot.
Agreed. The weather forecast says it'll be hot by noon.
The sooner we finish, the better.
I'll bring some water bottles outside for us.
Good idea. Staying hydrated is important.
Let's do this.
Getting ready to leave.
Are you ready yet? We're going to be late.
Almost. Just give me 1 more minute. I need to find my shoes.
Your shoes? Where did you put them?
I don't remember. I think they're under the bed.
Hurry up, please. Traffic is always bad at this hour.
I know. I'll be very quick, I promise.
Did you grab your phone?
Yes, it's in my bag, already packed.
What about the tickets? Do you have them?
Yes, I got them printed and ready to go.
Okay, good. I'll wait by the door then.
Give me just 2 more minutes.
You always say 2 minutes, and it's never 2 minutes.
This time, I really mean it. I'm almost completely done.
That's what you said 10 minutes ago.
I found my shoes, just putting them on now.
Finally. Do you have your wallet too?
Oh, good question. Let me check. Yes, I have it.
Keys?
In my pocket. All set.
All right, let's go now, or we'll miss the start.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's move right now.
I'll drive. You navigate with the GPS.
Sounds like a plan. Sorry for taking so long.
It's okay, but next time, please prepare earlier.
I promise I will. Let's go.
Finally, we're out the door.
Family budget talk.
Honey, we need to talk. We need to cut back on eating out.
I know. I saw the credit card bill. It was huge this month.
It really shocked me when I saw the total.
Me too. We spent way too much on restaurants.
Maybe we should start planning weekly meals at home.
That's a really good idea. It'll also be much healthier for us.
Home-cooked food is always better for our health.
And we know exactly what ingredients we're eating.
How many times did we eat out last week?
Let me think. At least 4 times, maybe even 5.
Wow, that's a lot. No wonder the bill adds up so quickly.
Yeah, even fast food gets expensive when you do it often.
A single meal for our family costs almost $40 at a restaurant.
That's true. Multiply that by 4 or 5 times?
That's almost $200 a week just on eating out.
When you say it like that, it sounds terrible.
Let's aim for eating out just once a week.
That's very reasonable. We can treat it as a special family night.
The kids will appreciate restaurant food more if it's rare.
Good point. It becomes a treat, not a habit.
I'll start making a grocery budget for each week.
And I'll look up some easy recipes online.
Maybe the kids can help cook too. It'll be fun for them.
They would love that. Great family activity.
So we save money and eat better at the same time.
Exactly. It'll be good for all of us, our health and our wallet.
I'm glad we talked about this.
Me too. We make a good team.
Paying a parking ticket.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Hi there. I need to pay this parking ticket, unfortunately.
Oh, I see. Sure, I can help you with that. Can I see the ticket, please?
Yes, here it is. I got it yesterday downtown.
Let me look at this. Okay, I see. The fine is $60.
$60? That's a lot of money for parking.
Yes, parking violations can be expensive in this area.
I only parked for 15 minutes. I didn't see the sign.
I understand. Unfortunately, I can't reduce the fine.
That's okay. I understand. Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, absolutely. No problem at all. But there's a small $3 processing fee.
That's fine. I don't have cash with me anyway.
Okay, your total will be $63. Please insert your card here.
Can I tap instead of inserting?
Yes, tap works too. Either way is fine.
Okay, I'll tap it. There, done.
Let me check. Great, your payment is complete and successful.
That's a relief. Do I need a receipt for my records?
It's up to you. I can print one for you if you want.
Yes, please print one. I want to keep it for my records.
Sure, no problem. Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Please be careful with parking signs in the future.
I definitely will. I learned my lesson today.
Have a great day.
You too. Thanks again. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.